we said, hey, these are these flash games, what can we do with them? So all we did was made simple standalone apps for each of our games. And I'll show you a game called Super Mom. So this is it's a funny game, women like it a lot, and I mean it this time. It's about this mom, she's got to take care of this baby, and this baby is like really the worst baby you can ever think of, man. I mean, it will drive you nuts. So you got to, you got to bathe it, clothe it, feed it, blah, 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 and it just keeps engaging you. And what Kamar did was made it a flash container, and I think, credit to him, he just put some tabs on. Now, that is a simple, concept. But this is interesting. We just put it out there. No investment in traffic, no investment in, marketing. I just want to show you analytics for this game in 2 months. So this is the way this game got picked up in 2 months. We're talking about 35,000 visits, 124 countries. And you can look at the dispersion of just one single flash dump app. To dive down further, check this out. Of the 35,000, did I say? Yeah. Of the 34,000, 21,000 are coming from Egypt. And this is, pretty much, with all due respect, I thought Cairo was Egypt and Egypt was Cairo, but that's what pretty much the map proves. But I haven't brought the profiles here, but when we looked into the profiles of these people, we've been able to entrap a very niche, small, young Muslim girl community to play this game. And what we've seen is the geometric effect of the girls from Syria, Lebanon, Jordan, Egypt, spreading this game amongst each other and playing it. You cannot befriend those people because they are restricted. It's a very restrictive society. But they enjoy this game, they play it, and it suddenly becomes a new thing for them. So the point is, we never knew that our humble Super Mom would be something that, girls in that market of the world would be so taken up by. And we're running insight now. Protected young girls, their parents, I'm sure, are heavily monitoring their internet usage. They're not letting them do what they want. This is a safe game for them to enjoy and a safe environment for them to play. So that's a channel.